A pipe bursts inside your wall at 11 o'clock on a Friday night. Water is spreading across your floor. You can't shut it off, and you have no idea what to do. You call a plumber. Within an hour, someone shows up, cuts open the drywall, finds the break, and fixes it, and you pay whatever they ask because you have no choice, and you are deeply grateful. That moment tells you almost everything you need to know about why plumbing pays the way it does. Before we get into the money, it helps to understand what the job actually is, because most people have a narrower picture of it than reality. A plumber installs and repairs the piping systems that carry water and gas into buildings and out of them. That covers the obvious stuff: the pipes under your sink, the line running to your water heater, the drain in your shower. But it also covers commercial buildings, manufacturing facilities, hospitals, and any other structure where pressurized systems move liquids or gases. The work is physically demanding. Plumbers work in tight crawl spaces, unfinished basements, and open construction sites. They read blueprints, calculate pressure loads, cut and join pipe, and make sure everything meets local building codes. And because water and gas do not keep business hours, plumbers are routinely on call for evenings and weekends. The job is not dangerous in a dramatic sense, but it demands physical endurance, technical precision, and the ability to diagnose problems that are hidden inside walls and floors. That combination, physical skill plus technical knowledge plus availability under pressure, is exactly what makes it hard to replace. Hey, it's CJ, the creator of this channel. If you want to make YouTube videos but don't want to spend the time it takes to script, film, and edit, with topic2video.com, you don't have to. The video you're watching right now is proof. I input my topic into the platform and this full-length video came out. I know it sounds simple, but it's true. No script writing, recording, or editing. Just put your ideas in and get your videos out. Try it for free today at topic2video.com. Now back to the video. One of the core economic forces behind plumbing wages is simple. There are not enough plumbers. That shortage does not happen by accident. It is baked into how the trade trains its workers. Most plumbers in the United States enter the field through an apprenticeship that runs 4 to 5 years. Every year of that apprenticeship includes roughly 2,000 hours of paid on-the-job training alongside formal classroom instruction. Think of it as a university education, except you earn a paycheck while you attend, and the classroom lessons are applied to real pipes on real job sites the very same week. The result is a worker who graduates with years of hands-on experience, rather than just a diploma. But that also means you cannot flood the market with new plumbers overnight. Every qualified plumber represents 4 or 5 years of deliberate, structured formation. When demand rises faster than new apprentices can complete their training, which is the situation in much of the country right now, the workers who are already licensed can charge more. Scarcity creates leverage, and in plumbing, scarcity is structural. Now, take that scarcity and add the pricing structure, and the economics start to click into place. When a homeowner hires a plumber, the hourly rate typically falls somewhere between $45 and $200 per hour, depending on the job, the region, and the timing. Some plumbers charge flat fees for standard work. A flat rate drain clearing or fixture installation might run around $300 regardless of how long it takes. That flat fee model actually rewards skill. A faster, more experienced plumber earns more per hour because they finish the same job in less time. The hourly rate model rewards availability. Show up at midnight on a Saturday, and the rate goes up, sometimes significantly, because the plumber is giving up sleep, time with family, and personal plans to solve your problem right now. Both models reflect the same underlying principle. The price of plumbing is not just the price of labor. It is the price of expertise, availability, and the fact that when your pipes fail, waiting is not an option. You are not shopping around. You need someone who can fix it, and you need them now. Those customer-facing rates tell you what people pay, but they do not directly tell you what a plumber takes home. The two numbers are not the same. A plumber working for a company earns wages, not the full billing rate. A plumber running their own business keeps more of it, but also absorbs overhead costs. According to Bureau of Labor Statistics data from 2024, the median annual wage for plumbers in the United States was just under $63,000. That is the midpoint. Half of plumbers earned more and half earned less. At the bottom of the range, the lowest earning 10% made under $37,700 a year. At the top, the highest earning 10% cleared more than $99,920. Those numbers move predictably with experience. An apprentice in the first year might earn between $31,000 and $42,000 annually. By mid-career, 5 to 9 years in, that climbs to somewhere between $55,000 and $70,000. After a decade or more of experience, reliable plumbers frequently earn between $70,000 and well over $100,000 a year. The key thing to understand is that plumbing is not one income level, it is a ladder. And unlike many career ladders, this one does not require an expensive college degree to start climbing. For plumbers who want to push past that ceiling, specialization is the lever. The plumbing trade branches into several focused disciplines, and each one carries its own premium. Gas fitting involves working with natural gas and propane lines, systems where a mistake is not just expensive, it is dangerous. That risk is reflected in the pay. Steam fitting covers the high-pressure piping systems found in industrial plants, power stations, and large commercial buildings. Systems that require a deeper knowledge of thermodynamics and pressure regulation than standard water plumbing. Pipe laying involves installing the large underground pipe networks that move water, sewage, and other materials between buildings and municipal systems. Each of these specializations requires additional training, additional licensing in most states, and the willingness to take on work that carries more technical and physical risk. The market compensates for that. A plumber who becomes a licensed gas fitter or a certified steam fitter is offering something that even fewer workers in the market can provide, and the pricing reflects exactly that. Pull all of these pieces together and a clear picture forms. Plumbing pays well, not because the work is easy or the hours are convenient, but because of how several economic forces combine at once. The training is long and structured, which limits how many qualified workers exist at any moment. The work cannot be outsourced or automated. Someone has to show up in person, read the problem, and fix it with their hands. The urgency of failure is real. A broken pipe does not wait, and specialization can push earnings even further for those willing to develop rarer skills. The label of blue collar has long carried an assumption of low economic value. Plumbing challenges that assumption directly. It is a trade where scarcity, skill, urgency, and specialization stack on top of each other to build a career with genuine earning power. It is one that does not require 4 years of college debt to begin, and it is one that tends to get more valuable the longer you stay in it. That is not a consolation prize for people who did not pursue a different path. That is just a strong economic case, made plainly. If this video changed how you think about skilled trades and economic value, there is a lot more on this channel about how money, labor, and markets work in ways most people never stop to examine. Subscribe so you do not miss the next one. And if you have a thought about the economics of the trades or a story from inside one, drop it in the comments. We read them. Hey, it's CJ before you go. I want to tell you something personal. I worked really hard to try to make money on YouTube, and I finally found a way. This video right here was made with a tool I created called topic2video.com. I made all of the videos on this channel with this tool. It creates long-form YouTube videos from just a topic or idea. I want to help people drive traffic to their business with faceless YouTube videos. If you're serious about building a business with YouTube, I want you to try my software. Your first video is free. Go to topic2video.com and try it now. I'll see you in the next one.